What's going on, my Hero Tribe? Watch me replant all my Leaf of Life plants in this big old pot. But yes, I love the Leaf of Life plant. If you don't know, Leaf of Life you can do a lot with. If you are into rituals, you can include Leaf of Life for abundance ritual. If you're into health, getting your health right, the Leaf of Life has a lot of nutrition. So it's just like sea moss. A lot of people use it if they have asthma. You can boil it in a tea. You can do a lot with it. You can just eat it in your salad. The Leaf of Life is really good. And the best part about it, I'm showing you a baby leaf. They grow from their leaves. Like, you can just plant a leaf and they will just sprout and grow more. So this is truly, really a abundance plant. I just love this plant. So yeah, and I am moving. So we are about to be living on a farm, and I can't wait to, record and vlog for y'all. And if y'all want more videos like this, just let me know. But yes, this is super exciting. So I'm gonna be submerged in nature, and that's what I want. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Peace.